In 2009, Cheryl introduced some new hardware, and here we've got 3 carabiners and some swivels. The 2 carabiners here, the Shadow and the Sentinel, both have the same tensile strength of 5,395 pounds. Both have the same gate opening of 11/16 of an inch. Both are lightweight and small, very lightweight. Perhaps the nice feature of this carabiner is the anti-snag clean nose. Also new is the Pirate with a tensile strength of 5,845 pounds. It has a gate opening of 1 inch. It also has a unique pull down action to the gate. Not pull up, but pull down, so that makes it unique to many of the carabiners that we already have. Also, the 2 swivels from Rock Exotica, small and large, both have the same tensile strength of 8,000 pounds. The large swivel will accommodate up to 3 connecting links on each side, and they both swivel clockwise and counterclockwise. New hardware for the 2009 Cheryl catalog.